So finance is definitely a sector that we've seen grow together with data science very naturally. But in addition to personal finance, there's also corporate finance. And a lot of entrepreneurs, small business owners, those mom and pop shops owners, they really rely on good corporate finance to survive. So that's why I'm really excited to present what the next team has done. Team BNK, take it away.
Hi guys, my name is Miriam, and these are my teammates, Leo and Luciano. We were introduced to this project by one of our fabulous instructors, and we were really excited to have the opportunity to work on this project because we realized that we could take what we've learned from these past several weeks and use it to help add benefit to a community. Now, if you're familiar with microfinance, you know that it has the ability to really help underserved individuals and small businesses by giving them access to credit. The institution that we worked with, 2 points if you can pronounce its full name, is a rural bank in the Philippines with over 1,000 clients. Now, most of these clients are small business owners, and many of them would not have been able to start up their businesses and maintain them if it was not for a loan from a bank like this one. So we were faced with one ultimate challenge. How can we better predict default so that this bank can stay in operation and can continue to reach out to clients that really need its services? And we found out some interesting things. One of them is that the greater the loan size, the more likely people were to pay it back. As we can see here, these points are sized according to the amount of the loan that was given. Red means default, and white represents the people that paid back their loans. So what other factors contributed to whether or not someone would pay back a loan? Some people might think that if you're a homeowner, if you're married, if you don't have like 30 kids, and maybe if you're a man, you'll probably be able to pay back the loan, right? Wrong. According to our findings, factors such as home ownership, gender, marital status, and number of dependents were insignificant when it came to being able to predict whether or not someone would default. Not only were we able to gain these meaningful insights, but we're also able to create a model that more accurately predicts whether or not someone would default, and we built an app to allow loan officers to more efficiently come up with these predictions on their own. Our data engineer, Leo, will show that for you.
Hi everyone. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use this app quickly. Let's open it. All right, so before I start, there are a few things that I want to point out. First, after a bunch of work of data exploration and feature engineering, we figure out these features are proven to be important, such as cycle, age, cash flow, collateral, and loan amount. So second, instead of having the bank officers doing repeated job on Excel, our app will help the bank people to better understand and automatically record all the users' information, prediction result, and our suggestion to the bank into a database that we created behind the scene. So after Luciano putting all the information, let's predict. So as you can see, the first thing we'll get is the loan payback rate. In this case, it's 37%, followed by a comparison between the payback, which is green, and the default, which is pink. So based on our model, in this case, because of the low payback rate, we will suggest the bank to perform a second review. So let's change some value here. Right, we change the years in business. We increase the cash flow. We increase the loan size and see what happened. All right, this time we got a much higher payback rate, which is 66%. So in this case, based on our model, we ensure that this client has a higher potential to be a more reliable and a better borrower to this bank. So we recommend the bank officers to give the loan to this guy. So yeah, this is basically how this app works. And now I will hand over to Luciano to wrap up.
Thank you, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm Luciano. I would like to give you a quick wrap up. Actually, our project had two values. The first is we unlock new market. By eliminating those so-called biased features, the loan now can be accessed to more borrowers, and we can create more impact. The second is actually we help the bank to, with our better models and predictions, we can help them to abide the local regulation, the accounting law in a more compliant way. So actually, with these two humble contributions in 10 days, I think it's not bad and it's not the end. We will further improve our model to make to get this project better, and I trust our project will fly and scale. Thank you. And I sincerely invite you to scan the QR code and you can explore and play. Thank you.